Hello everyone, my name is Svitlana Melnychuk and I'm a project manager with WebTrit, a customizable white label multi-platform solution that allows you to embed voice and video into any app you like. Today I am delighted to host our official welcome video for our new WebTrit YouTube channel. So let's get started and I'll tell you about all the different solutions we offer to specific customer needs. WebTrit is not just a feature-rich Softphone app, it's a complete SDK for voice and video calls using WebRTC technology for smartphones, web browsers, and coming soon, native apps for Windows and macOS. Better yet, this SDK is provided not just with some examples of code, but with actual source code for fully featured front-end applications that are used in production by telcos around the world. So, whether you are using web, Android or iOS, you can deploy a working application in a matter of days. And if you want to customize or change the WebTrit user interface or functionality, all you need to do is to change a few pieces of code to launch a fully branded dialer quickly and efficiently. There is no need to develop the whole app from scratch. Let's look at a few of the ways you can use WebTrit across different platforms to solve specific business needs. Let's say you are a small or medium business with a VoIP PBX system and you are looking for a simple way for your employees to make calls using a smartphone or web browser. All you need to do is register online, put in the configuration details of your PBX, such as its IP address and individual user SIP credentials. You will see that WebTrit works with virtually any modern cloud PBX system like 3CX, Asterisk, NetSapiens, BroadSoft, and more. Your users will receive an email with the link for download the WebTrit app and auto-configure it in just a single click. There is no need to enter username or password. And that's it. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes to start making calls through your own PBX system. If you look below in the video description, you can find a separate video that walks you through the entire process. If you have up to 5 users in your PBX system, using WebTrit is completely free. Later, as your team grows, WebTrit can scale alongside you with affordable pricing. Now, let's say you are a CSP or another kind of telecom operator. You can use WebTrit to provide a branded dialer to your customers. To set up the basic customization of user interface such as logo, color scheme, and so on, you can use a simple visual editor. Once you have your branding customized, you will be able to publish your app into the App Store under your own name. Your clients will be able to make calls through whatever kind of system you use, whether that's FortiSwitch, BroadSoft, Kazoo, FreeSwitch, 3CX, or something else. With any of these platforms, WebTrit will allow you to offer a seamless dialer experience while keeping your customers connected within your network. WebTrit will communicate to your VoIP system via SIP. And additionally, you can write your own API adapter, which will allow you for real-time data sync between WebTrit and your backend system. Whether that system is provided by a vendor or developed in-house, you can use this for user authentication, sign up new users from within the app, retrieving contacts and CDR history, and much more. Doing this does require some coding, but since we provide you with a ready-to-use application template, that coding will be very little. Once again, there is a video with more details on how to do that listed in the YouTube description below. But what if you are an individual entrepreneur who wants to launch a unique new service that includes voice or video calls? That could be a conversation with AI assistant, or something like video fortune telling, or specialized online coaching. Whatever it is you want to do, WebTrit can provide you with the full working application and its source code, so you can tweak its UI with minimum effort and focus on developing the essence of your application. The way you can bring your vision to life and deliver your product to the market is as early as possible. And for startups, these first few months it takes to develop your product is often a question of survival. So the faster you can reach the revenue, the better. So thanks to this simple API and the code samples that we provide, you can easily add the call widget to your web platform. Integration is simple, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your business. With WebTrit, you get so much more than a Softphone. You get flexibility, control, and a solution that you can perfectly tailor to your business. Sign up for a trial today and start your WebTrit journey. If you have any questions about how to customize WebTrit to fit your business, reach out to our team. Meanwhile, thank you for watching our official WebTrit welcome video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch more product news, along with tips and ideas for making the most out of this solution. See you next time!